Maybe you're on a single income at the moment, or maybe you do not have a huge deposit at this stage. If that's the case, you may be considering shared ownership or a Help to Buy equity loan. In this video, I break down the fundamental differences between the two. Let's get to it. What's up, Alex Kerr from Mortgage Chain, and on this channel we provide the best tools and tips to first-time buyers. If we're meeting for the first time, please consider subscribing. Let's jump into the video. So what is shared ownership and Help to Buy? In a nutshell, shared ownership, you purchase a proportion or a percentage of a property, typically 25, 35, 50, 70%, and you rent the rest of the property from the housing association. The idea is to buy more shares over time, which is known as staircasing, and end up owning 100%. A Help to Buy equity loan is a low rate loan which gives you access to lower mortgage rates, more products, and you don't need to pay anything back for the first 5 years. Both have advantages and disadvantages. So both schemes allow you to buy a property with just a 5% deposit. That is a big plus of both schemes. And if it's shared ownership and you're buying 25% share, the 5% deposit equates to a quarter of what it would have been if you were buying a property outright. Shared ownership is fantastic for low incomes and low deposits. Both schemes have a governing body. Shared ownership has a housing association attached to the transaction. Whenever you're buying a shared ownership property, make sure you're aware of the housing association and what their rules are. And once you've discovered that, make sure they line up with the lender's criteria. On the other hand, Help to Buy, if you've bought a property and borrowed a 20% Help to Buy equity loan, and then later on you sell your property and you make a profit, 20% of that profit will have to go to Help to Buy. So both schemes are not everybody's cup of tea. However, if they help you onto the property ladder, that first step, which you wouldn't have been able to do without them, then I see that as a positive. Both schemes have an end goal in mind. The shared ownership scheme, the idea is to borrow more shares and end up owning 100%. The Help to Buy scheme, the end goal is to pay off the Help to Buy equity loan as soon as possible. The idea would be when your mortgage product expires, if you've got a 2-year or 3-year or 5-year deal, for example, when that comes to an end, hopefully you can remortgage and pay the equity loan off. That's the idea. So what is better? What one do you go for? I would be favouring shared ownership if you're on a low income, and I'd be favouring Help to Buy if you need access to lower rates initially. Maybe you know your income's going to improve over the next 5 years, or maybe you've got a bit of adverse credit, so the mainstream lenders won't apply to you. However, with a Help to Buy equity loan, there are lenders which will offer products if you've got a little bit of adverse credit. I think they're there to be used as a temporary measure. If they can help you onto the property ladder and you move forward from that point, fantastic. Today's question, are you looking into the options of shared ownership or Help to Buy? Let me know in the comments. So if you're looking into either of these schemes and are not sure which way to turn, please note we do now offer a free 15-minute call. The link is in the description. You can book directly into our calendar. If you're looking to buy a property or view properties quickly, just choose a priority call and that will get you an appointment sooner rather than later. If you're at the early stages, just choose an analysis call. Please note we are obliged to tell you that your home may be repossessed if you do not keep up repayments on your mortgage. So thanks for watching today's video. I have got 2 more videos for you. One going into more detail on shared ownership and Help to Buy. Check those videos out. Please do check out the show notes for a recap on today's video, or ring the bell and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Till next time, have a beautiful day. We'll see you in the next one.